Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if the Prime Video website won't load or the app keeps crashing, it's usually caused by connection issues, app bugs, device problems, or browser conflicts. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix Prime Video not loading or crashing in 2026, simple and effective. So you have to know that most issues are temporary, app or server glitches, device performance can affect app stability, browser settings can block the website. So most cases means connection, app or browser issue, okay? So first thing, check internet connection, like make sure your Wi-Fi or data is stable. Slow or unstable internet means loading failure. You can also restart the app or browser, like if you are using the app, close Prime Video completely and reopen it again, like remove it from the recent apps like this and open it again. As for the web, close all tabs and reopen the browser. It fixes temporary glitches, okay? You can also restart your device, so restart your phone, TV or computer, whatever the device that you are using. This clears system level errors, okay? Otherwise, update the app or browser, like if you are using the mobile, go to the store and update Prime Video from App Store, okay? If you are using the browser, update your browser to the latest version because this fixes compatibility issues, okay? Disable VPN or proxy because if you are VPN can prevent site loading or cause crashes, so turn off VPN or proxy if you are using any. Disable extensions too, okay? So turn off ad blockers or extensions. Some extensions break Prime Video. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.